Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so first we need to determine the length of the pendulum. So frequency is equal to 1 over 2 pi times square root g over L. So therefore L should be equal to g over 4 pi squared times f squared. And we know the initial frequency was given as 0.3204 hertz. Okay, and acceleration of gravity was given as 9.8 meter per second squared. So therefore we have the length of the pendulum is equal to 2.42 meter. And now a new frequency was assigned to us, which is 0.3196 hertz. Okay, so therefore we know f prime can be equal to 1 over 2 pi times square root of g prime over L. So the new acceleration here, g prime, should be equal to 4 pi squared times f prime squared times L. So we know the length of the pendulum is 2.42 meter and the new frequency is 0.3196 hertz. So therefore the new acceleration of a gravity, g prime, should be equal to 4 pi squared times 0.3196 hertz squared and then times 2.42 meter, and this will give us the acceleration of gravity at this point is about 9.759 meter per second squared. Okay, so as you can tell, g prime is less than g, which means that the location should be somewhere above the sea level, okay, because it decreased. And this is the answer for this question.